kindergartners, welcome to Art with Miss Mandy. Today we're going to be doing a craft, a fall tree craft. So you're going to need your paper, just your white paper from your packet, and then your construction paper, which should be brown and red and orange and yellow. These are going to be our leaves that are changing colors. So get those out. Oh, you'll also need a brown crayon and a glue stick. So once you have all of those things, we can get started. We're going to start with the brown crayon. And we're going to draw the tree trunk. So we're going to use a curved line. I'm going to start about halfway up and towards the middle of the paper. So I'm going to start here and do a curved line out to the side. Then I'm going to go back to where I started, give a little space. This will be the other side of the tree trunk. And then same thing going the other direction. So I'm going to do a curved line out the other way. So next I'm going to color in this tree trunk. So wood sometimes has some lines in it. So I'm just going to add a few little lines, maybe a little circle for a tree, not a notch in the tree. Then I'm just gonna fill it in. Go ahead and color it in. All right, once you are done filling your tree trunk in, we are going to switch to our leaves. So start with whichever color, doesn't really matter. I'm going to start with brown. So I'm just going to tear off a small piece. You don't need scissors, you're just going to tear it off. It's supposed to look a little bit rough around the edges. Then you're going to put a dab of glue onto that little piece, and you're going to stick it somewhere up here towards the top where the leaves of the tree would be. And it's okay if it's sticking out a little bit, that'll make it look more realistic. So you can keep going with your brown pieces. Tear off a piece, put a little glue on it, and then stick it somewhere on your tree. And your leaves can go all the way around on the top. Some of them might have already fallen onto the ground, so you can put them falling towards the ground. And then whenever you feel like you've had enough of that color, you can switch to another color. Switch to red. Just put it, same thing, tear off a piece, put it anywhere around where the top of your tree would be. Kind of spread out so that you have different colors on different parts of the tree. You can put some more falling down. bottom. Keep tearing off your pieces, sticking them up on top of your tree. And I'm going to switch to orange. Just a little bit of glue will do. Not too much or your paper's going to get real heavy. One of my pieces just fell off, and that's okay. Just put a little more glue on there, put it back where it was or in a different place. It's really up to you. And now I'm going to switch to my yellow. You can just keep going till your whole top of your tree is filled in as much as you want it to be. And if you feel like you want more of another color, you can go back to another color. But try to get some of every color on there. I'm going to go back to brown. Put a couple more brown pieces, brown leaves on there. And try to fill it in till you can't see very much white in between the leaves. All right, have fun with your fall tree, and I'll see you next week.